Supreme Court today sought a fresh status report on the violence in Manipur from the state government and hearing two petitions, one pertaining to Manipur Tribal Forum Delhi seeking SIT probe into Manipur violence and relief for victims, and another petition challenging Manipur High Court order on suggesting inclusion of Meitei community in ST list. Well, CJI DY Chandrachud directed Manipur government to file a fresh status report on law and order situation and relief and rehabilitation. Well, the Supreme Court also asked the tribal party to approach the Manipur High Court on the Meitei ST status matter, while noting that a writ petition challenging the decision is already pending in the High Court. And during the hearing, CJI Chandrachud was also critical of the Manipur High Court order directing the state government to send recommendations to the centre on the Meitei ST status issue. And Solicitor General 𝗡𝗢𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗘 informed the court that the Manipur government has secured an extension of 1 year from the High Court as far as the submission of recommendations on ST status issue is concerned.
Today, a status report was filed by the government detailing everything, what is there in the ground, what actions have been taken and all. Along with that, the status report also talks about what new developments have taken up regarding the judgment passed by the High Court regarding sending of recommendation for inclusion of Meitei community in the ST list. We found out that the state of Manipur has sought an extension of 1 year for exercising that sending of recommendation, and that 1 year extension, seeing the ground reality, what is prevailing there, that extension has been given. Over and above that, it has also come to light that a writ appeal is already there pending, challenging the judgment of the High Court. Before the SLP challenging the High Court judgment was filed in Supreme Court. Now, the Honorable Supreme Court, after appreciating the new developments in the facts and circumstances of the case, has disposed of the SLP, saying that go and pursue before the High Court. Writ appeal is there, go and pursue it. And over and above that, in the PIL is the main where various reliefs have been sought: medical, humanitarian, evacuation, rescue, rebuilding, compensation, etc. There, the Supreme Court has given general instructions to the state government, since law and order comes under the state list. So he said that the state as an executive will take care of everything. Now, one more important thing was, we highlighted one very important thing, that peace will prevail only and only when all those armed militants who are under the suspension of operation with the government of India are reined in. These facts were put forth before the court. So the court said that we'll pass a general observation to the state government to take care of all these things, and directed the state to file a fresh status report after taking care of all these things, and place the matter in the first week of July.
Before Supreme Court, we have filed one writ petition along with other PIs also there. Analogous matters are heard together. President of the All Manipur Bar Association and myself is the President of the High Court Bar Association, and all office bearers. We have all together filed a writ petition, and the matter was listed today, and the Honorable Court passed some 2-3 important orders. And the number one is that the matter relating to the scheduled tribe demand, that matter has been referred to the High Court of Manipur as one writ appeal is also pending. It will be transmitted here. And other remaining PIL and the writ petition, that will be again heard on first week of July. The matter relates to the law and order problems now being faced by the Manipur state. And in that, all the remaining analogous cases now pending before the Supreme Court, the main prayer relates to the bringing of peace to the state of Manipur, and to initiate appropriate and effective measure by the law enforcing agency, so that normalcy may be brought into the state of Manipur. That is one of the main thing. And another one is about the rehabilitation of the affected peoples due to the recent riot. That three are the main important. And the status report is also sought for by the Honorable Supreme Court.
From the state government.